Imagine a place far removed from the hustle and bustle of modern life. A place where the noise of the city is replaced by the gentle whispers of the wind and the soothing sounds of the ocean waves. Here the air is fresh, and the landscape is untouched by the hands of time. A place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly savor each moment. The gentle waves caress the shore, creating a symphony of tranquility that calms the soul. This is Tuvalu, a small island nation nestled in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Often overlooked, Tuvalu is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness waiting to be discovered. Comprised of 9 stunning coral atolls and islands, Tuvalu is a true hidden gem. Each atoll and island has its own unique charm, offering a diverse array of landscapes and experiences. Its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush vegetation create a paradise-like setting. The vibrant colors of the sea and the greenery of the land paint a picture of pure bliss. Tuvalu is a place of tranquility and serenity. The calmness of the early morning sunrise, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the distant call of seabirds all contribute to an atmosphere of peace. Life moves at a different pace here. The fast-paced, hectic lifestyle of the modern world feels like a distant memory. In Tuvalu, there is time to breathe, to reflect, and to connect with the world around you. The gentle rhythm of the ocean sets the tone for daily life. The ebb and flow of the tides mirror the unhurried pace of life on the islands. The people of Tuvalu have a deep connection to their natural surroundings. Their lives are intertwined with the land and the sea, and they have a profound respect for the environment that sustains them. They live in harmony with the land and the sea. This harmonious relationship is evident in their daily activities, from fishing to farming, and in their communal way of life. This connection is evident in their warm hospitality and their rich cultural heritage. Visitors are often greeted with open arms and are invited to participate in traditional dances and ceremonies. For those seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Tuvalu offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The island's untouched beauty and the genuine warmth of its people create memories that last a lifetime. It is a chance to witness the beauty of an untouched paradise. The unspoiled beaches, the vibrant coral reefs, and the lush vegetation offer a glimpse into a world that remains largely unchanged by modern development. It is an opportunity to learn about a culture that is deeply rooted in tradition and respect for nature. The traditional practices and customs of the Tuvaluan people provide a window into a way of life that values simplicity and sustainability. Tuvalu is a reminder that there are still places on Earth where simplicity and beauty reign supreme. In a world that is constantly changing, Tuvalu stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature and the timeless beauty of a life lived in harmony with the environment. So, if you ever find yourself yearning for a place where you can escape the chaos of modern life, remember Tuvalu. This hidden gem in the Pacific awaits, ready to offer you a sanctuary of peace, beauty, and timeless charm. Tuvalu is a picture-perfect paradise, a hidden gem in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Its 9 islands and atolls are scattered across the Pacific Ocean like emeralds on a blue velvet cloth, each one a unique piece of a beautiful mosaic. Each island boasts its own unique charm and allure, offering a distinct experience for those who venture to explore them. From the air, they appear as thin strips of land, fringed by white sand beaches and surrounded by vibrant coral reefs, creating a stunning contrast against the deep blue of the ocean. One of Tuvalu's most striking features is its lagoons, which are like tranquil oases amidst the vast ocean. These calm, turquoise waters are protected from the open ocean by the surrounding reefs, creating a serene environment that is perfect for relaxation and exploration. This creates a haven for marine life and a playground for snorkelers and divers, who can immerse themselves in the vibrant underwater world. The water is so clear that you can see the colorful coral and fish swimming below the surface, making it a paradise for underwater photography and marine observation. The islands themselves are relatively flat, with the highest point reaching just 15 feet above sea level, giving them a unique and delicate beauty. Despite their small size, they are home to a surprising diversity of plant life, which thrives in the tropical climate. Lush coconut palms, breadfruit trees, and pandanus trees provide shade from the tropical sun, creating a lush and inviting landscape. Colorful hibiscus flowers and fragrant frangipani blossoms add splashes of color to the landscape, enhancing the natural beauty of the islands. Tuvalu is a nature lover's dream come true, offering an unspoiled environment where one can truly appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Its pristine beaches, sparkling lagoons, and verdant vegetation create a sense of awe and wonder, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the tranquility and beauty of the islands. It is a place where you can truly escape from the stresses of modern life and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world, finding peace and serenity in the embrace of nature. Beyond its natural beauty, Tuvalu is also rich in culture and tradition. The local Tuvaluan community is known for its warm hospitality and vibrant way of life. Visitors can experience traditional Tuvaluan dance, participate in local festivals, and witness cultural celebrations that have been passed down through generations. The islands are also home to skilled artisans who create beautiful handmade crafts, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Tuvalu. Tuvaluans have a deep respect for their environment and practice sustainable living, ensuring that the natural beauty of their islands is preserved for future generations. The local cuisine is another highlight, with traditional Tuvaluan dishes featuring fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and locally grown produce. Fishing is a way of life in Tuvalu, and visitors can learn about traditional fishing methods that have been used for centuries. As the day comes to an end, the sunsets over Tuvalu are nothing short of spectacular, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple. And when night falls, the clear skies offer a perfect opportunity for stargazing, with countless stars twinkling above. The tranquility of the night in Tuvalu is a fitting end to a day spent exploring its natural wonders, leaving visitors with memories that will last a lifetime. Tuvalu is more than just a destination, it is an experience, a journey into a world where nature and culture coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature, Tuvalu offers it all, wrapped in the embrace of its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The true beauty of Tuvalu lies not only in its natural wonders, such as its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush greenery, but also in the unique charm that each sunrise and sunset brings to the island. The vibrant hues of the sky reflect on the tranquil waters, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that captivates both locals and visitors alike. But the essence of Tuvalu extends beyond its picturesque landscapes. It is deeply rooted in the warmth and resilience of its people. The Tuvaluan community is a close-knit one, where everyone knows each other and lends a helping hand whenever needed. This sense of unity and cooperation is evident in their daily lives, from communal fishing trips to collective farming efforts. The Tuvaluan people, known as Tuvaluans, are renowned for their hospitality, generosity, and deep connection to their cultural heritage. Visitors to the islands are often greeted with open arms and treated like family. This warm welcome is a reflection of the Tuvaluan belief in the importance of community and the value of every individual. They have a strong sense of community and a deep respect for their elders and traditions. Elders are considered the keepers of wisdom and are highly revered. They play a crucial role in passing down knowledge, customs, and stories to the younger generations, ensuring that the rich cultural heritage of Tuvalu is preserved and celebrated. Music and dance play a central role in Tuvaluan culture. These art forms are not just for entertainment, they are a means of expressing identity, history, and emotions. Traditional dances, often performed during festivals and special occasions, tell stories of the past and convey messages of hope and unity. Traditional songs and dances are passed down through generations and are performed at important celebrations and gatherings. These performances are a vibrant display of the island's cultural richness and are eagerly anticipated by both locals and visitors. The melodies and rhythms of Tuvaluan music are deeply evocative, often reflecting the natural beauty and serene environment of the islands. The rhythmic movements and melodic tunes reflect the spirit and history of the Tuvaluan people. Each dance step and musical note is imbued with meaning, telling tales of love, struggle, and triumph. The synchronization of the dancers and the harmony of the musicians showcase the unity and collective spirit of the Tuvaluan community. One of the most captivating aspects of Tuvaluan culture is the art of storytelling. Storytelling is a cherished tradition, where elders share ancient tales and legends with the younger generations. These stories are not just for entertainment, they are a means of preserving history, imparting moral lessons, and fostering a sense of identity and belonging. Elders share ancient tales and legends, keeping their history and traditions alive. These narratives often feature mythical creatures, heroic deeds, and moral dilemmas, providing listeners with a deeper understanding of their cultural roots and the values that define their community. These stories often revolve around the sea, reflecting the islanders' deep connection to their maritime environment. The sea is not just a source of sustenance for the Tuvaluans, it is an integral part of their identity and way of life. Fishing, boating, and other maritime activities are woven into the fabric of daily life, and the sea's influence is evident in their folklore and traditions. Tuvaluans are known for their resilience and their ability to find joy in the simplest of things. Whether it's children playing games on the beach, families sharing meals, or friends gathering for a casual chat, the Tuvaluan way of life is characterized by a profound appreciation for the present moment and the simple pleasures it brings. Despite the challenges they face, such as the threat of rising sea levels and natural disasters, they maintain a positive outlook on life. Their resilience is a testament to their strength and determination. The community comes together in times of adversity, supporting each other and rebuilding with unwavering hope and optimism. Their smiles are infectious, and their laughter is a testament to their indomitable spirit. The joy and warmth that radiate from the Tuvaluan people are a reflection of their deep-seated belief in the power of community, love, and togetherness. It is this spirit that truly embodies the essence of Tuvalu and makes it a place like no other. Beneath the surface of Tuvalu's azure waters lies a world teeming with vibrant life and color. The coral reefs surrounding the islands are home to an astonishing array of diverse marine species. Snorkeling or diving in these waters is like entering an underwater paradise. The reefs are a kaleidoscope of color, with corals of every imaginable shape and size. Brightly colored fish dart in and out of the intricate coral formations. Sea turtles glide gracefully through the water, while reef sharks patrol the outer edges of the reef. Lucky divers might even encounter manta rays, these gentle giants of the deep. With their wing-like fins and graceful movements, they are truly a sight to behold. The reefs are also home to a variety of invertebrates, including starfish, sea cucumbers, and colorful nudibranchs. Tuvalu's underwater world is a testament to the health and biodiversity of its marine environment. It is a reminder of the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems for future generations.